siyibona kanjani.
You know, I don't like this thing of us changing penthouse guests all the time, like having new people all the time, because people also end up complaining, saying we like women too much. Yeah,
but it's part of umsebenzi esiwenzayo. So if sihlala, okay, let's say you decide to have abantu besifazane about 2 right on the show. So sihamba nalabo bantu besifazane, why?
Look, as long as we are comfortable to be with them.
Okay.
Don't say sizohamba nabo why. Wena remember ukuthi wena you don't have umuntu in the show.
Yeah. And
angimfuni umuntu. And inginga lento le.
Uyi-emphasize le angimfuni umuntu on the show. Ngiyibeke nje izwakala.
Oh, yamfuna mara outside the show.
Outside the show, hayi la.
Wait. So umuntu
kodwa angisho ukuthi ngiyamfuna manje.
Wait, I want to understand. Umuntu yamfuna mara umfuna outside the show.
Outside the show. Yeah.
So ufuna even ngiba nomuntu eshweni.
No mlungwana noma ngaba na 3.
But wena ungafuna uba nomuntu eshweni.
Kanti mlungu buplanela ungitholela umuntu eshweni.
Yeah.
If buplanela lokho akunankinga mlethe.